there first.
Go away, it's fine. Shoot.
That's the Lancer one. Get it.
Oh, look out for poop.
Oh my! Go like this.
No, I don't want them pooping on me. Go away.
Go away!
If I throw it right, they catch it.
Easy, Stefan. Don't clap.
I'm just hovering in the air waiting for food.
Oh, no one caught that one. And all the birds in the marina. The ducks are just not amused. Look at those mallards. They're huge. They're beautiful.
Here comes the duck.
Yeah, the ducks want some.
Little waddle feet.
They're like... Stephen, you can ask for a piece of bread. Hey! Stephen, back up.
Yeah.
We're rooting for the ducks. Oh gosh, all the birds in the marina are coming.
Going for it.
Oh, help us! Oh, heaven help us! Oh no! Look at them! Ah! These are right above me. Oh my gosh.
Lisa, there's still more.
I know. They're all, oh my gosh.
They come. Wait, Eric, look down there.
Oh my goodness. They're all coming. Grandpa, chuck the bread. Save us.
What? You got some friends.
Oh, you betcha. But
look, they're coming.
They're still coming.
They're still coming.
Oh, you should
God.
see them follow the fish boats.
I'm not a fish boat.
There you go. That mama duck needed some.
Those mallards. Oh wow, look at that big one. Oh gosh. Look at them flying in place there.
Like hover right there, waiting for food.
Oh gosh.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Whoa. They're behind us.
Oh boy. Oh.
every once in a while there's one that comes in from the side like that and gets up speed and takes it away from him.
Thought they might try and steal it out of your hand. Might come up.
When I'm alone, they crawl all over me. Some of them land on my arm, some of them, one of them lands on my hat.
Look at that. Those ducks are very healthy. Look at them.
That's their way of claiming territory.
Yeah.
Oh, help.
Hey, no.
So, Mom, what think you of all this? I love the ducks. They're so plump.
Aren't they cute?
And the best coloring I've ever. They're like, seriously, guys. Whoa, what's that? I hear a dove. Nice cat. Oh boy. Someone shoot that bird. Hey, you got it. Oh gosh.